Obviously, if there are elements that bother me in the visualization, I can identify them. For example, this tells me that it is part 7. I go to part 7. I go to hide part 7. And here I find myself, for example, with part 2, which would be this. And here is a little piece that tells me it's part 4. I can paint these two elements, or I can combine them. Ctrl key. I select them both. I tell them, for example, merge. If I say merge, these two elements are now united in a single situation. Here, for example, we have the head, and here we have a part below behind, which would be part 6. I select the head and select this. I tell him, for example, merge. And in this case, he selects all these two elements for me. So for him now, the helmet is joined to this part. Here, for example, we have the neck with some jagged areas. And therefore each of us can go on to identify the elements and see if there are any parts that are too many. I advise you to hide them. Then after him, of course, when we do save change, we'll save these elements that we have combined. Here, for example, there is this part. And these other elements. There is also this, which would be part 18. Part 18 has some elements that should be painted on these others. So this is all united, this element. This one here, we have another colorful one that would be this one. Here, of course, the thing is resolved more on painting, in the sense that if I go to get this type of color, for example this, we have this possibility to paint on top, then we also have this tool that should help us in painting the part much faster. We do something like this, below all these elements that are jagged should be part of an element that we hidden, which was the hand in the area below. Here it is. So in this case you would have to paint this whole area directly. In order to try to incorporate the elements that we have previously missed. In such a way that you see that here we also have these, and here it is convenient to hide this part as well, however. Then go and hide these items. Because otherwise, maybe it's all things which could bother us. So here we have these two elements. Let's go inside the brush. We are still on this element. Let's try to paint better the hand with a brush. A bit big, like this. Here I close the brush. And then we must always do save change, otherwise he doesn't make me the rescue. Let's make them all available for a moment. of all the times we make an edit. Let's go into self-change. That doesn't cost us any credit.